In this video, we will be going over how to download the DMSS app for mobile viewing of your agent cameras. First, if you're on an iPhone, find the App Store. If you're on a Samsung or Android, find the Play Store. Search for DMSS, then select Download. Once the download is complete, open the app. Upon opening the app, the first two questions it's going to prompt you with will be concerning notifications. Click Allow, then swipe to the left 2 times. Next, it will ask you to select your region. Click United States, that's already recommended for you in blue lettering. Then click Done. Please read through the customer prompt and then select the box to say that you are agreeing to the user privacy and service agreement policy. Once you've read through the service agreement and user privacy policy, click Next. If you would like a quick tutorial, select Watch Video. If not, hit Skip. Before we move forward in adding an NVR device or a camera device to your DMSS app, it is recommended that you create a user account. By creating a user account, if you ever decide to upgrade your phone, all you'll have to do is log into your account and you'll once again be able to view your cameras. Select Sign Up on the top right in the blue lettering. Enter an email address you have access to, as you'll need it later for a confirmation code, and then enter the password you would like to use for your account. Make sure that it is a combination of 8 to 32 letters and characters, and remember, it is case sensitive. Once you have typed in the password, hide the keyboard and select the agreement for the terms and conditions. Now, you can click Get Verification Code, and within 5 to 10 seconds, you'll have an email in your inbox with the verification code. Enter the verification code you have received, then select OK, and you are now ready to log in to your DMSS Agent Mobile Viewing account.